What, the interpretation of free will is restricted by religion, or how a person acts?
How a person
Acts freely, yeah.
I don't think that that's an accurate portrayal of the question, because if you follow a religious doctrine, it could also mean, for example, depends on which religion you're following, that you may freely choose to do something. So if you choose to do what that religion says, and you choose it freely, that's an exercise of your free will, even though someone else may totally disagree with what you're doing. So for example, if I join a religion in which vegetarianism is very, very important as an aspect, I may choose that vegetarianism. That hasn't affected my free will. I've freely chosen to do that. And yet, in a certain sense, there's a restriction on what I've done, but I've chosen that restriction.
Actually, religion is the only hope we have of having any true freedom, because if we don't believe in a religion which orients us towards God and makes demands on us, then the alternative is to believe whatever we want, which may not make very good demands on us and may give us license to do all kinds of things that, although they may appear free, would be a horrible impact on the rest of the earth, and in fact could enslave us to greed and a number of other passions.
No, I think a religion is giving you freedom to answer, because religion at the end became an answer you give to the call from God, and the community answer in that way, and you are free to reject your religion or not. But religion is giving you another option in front of what you have.
So,
Okay?
what do you think limits free will?
Well, that's
Or
what
is
we're
it
talking. The free will is the capacity and the power you have
Okay.
in order to do what do you want, or to use your power, your capacity for action at certain moment and certain circumstance. Okay?
Okay.
But sometimes the free will is limited by the social conditions.
Okay.
But doesn't matter if limited or no. At the end, you decide what are you going to do. You see, for example, you are in a prison. Somebody said, okay, we are going to kill you. Do this or do this. You can say, oh, I did it because they were going to kill me. But you decide, because also you can decide to take the risk to be killed. Okay? A human being all the time has the free to do many things. Okay?
Okay.
And
So-
doesn't matter what is your biological condition or something. But of course, you are limited. Suppose you want to go walking or someplace, but you can because your leg got cut or what you want to do. Okay, it's your wish to go, but you can go.
Yeah.
Yeah. But this is no. You can take anything literally. Okay. No, every theory has an answer, but nobody has the total answer, the whole answer at this moment. And that's the problem we have in ethics, because if we accept no free will, what is the point to have ethics? You can just nobody, because the behavior is predetermined, and you have to act it that way, like the animals, but humans don't act that way. You see, we have this house, we build as a society, as a community. Maybe sometimes the social determinism is more stronger than the natural determinism.
I'd say it's a morality. They go hand in hand.
Yeah.
Say one, you can't have one without the other.
That's what people say. So, do you think that there is morality and freedom?
Is there a morality? No, you're what are you doing? You're trying to separate the two. You're trying to put,
Or can they be separated?
I don't think they can.
Can be separated?
They cannot be separated.
So you cannot have morality without freedom, and you can't have freedom without morality?
Exactly.
Okay. Should we ask another one? Without the other one.
I think there are a number of depths to that. Are you talking about moral actions? Are we talking about moral people? Are we talking in a Christian context
moral
about
actions.
sinners or the sin? Because you can distinguish clearly between what we would call sinner and the sin, or between a moral agent and a moral act. So for example, someone may drug me and I may go and do something which is terrible. Have I done something sinful? Apparently so. Something that's not moral? Apparently so. But in terms of my own personal morality, no, I haven't done anything that has been immoral through choice. So it hasn't been an act of free will, so I can't be accused of acting in an evil way through choice. I don't know if that